At Teatrx, we design the easiest to use meeting spaces in the world. We know technology is changing. We're excited. We look forward to it. We embrace it. It's part of our everyday. Nowadays with technology, people expect that presentation tools and video conference will work in their meeting spaces. And when they don't work, it's embarrassing and costly to the business. At Teatrx, we think that customers should feel good about using technology. It should be easy to use. It should be a good process, and we want to help them learn. Basically, we design, integrate, and manage it end-to-end with the ease of use, where you can walk into a room and press one button, and it will integrate with whatever applications you're going to use in a room. We're redefining AV and IT in the fact that we're doing both services. We make things simple for companies. There's no friction, there's no pain points. We help train. Things work, and they work well every time. So think of a Teatrx solution like the button press of your car, where you press the button and hundreds of activities happen, and it works. Same thing with Teatrx. You just press a button, and it works. When we finish the installation, the first thing we do is we train people. As you can see on the touch panel, it just says touch anywhere to begin. Once we're done training, we make ourselves available by live chat. And the important thing is that people can get a hold of us if there's a question. We have a library of videos, and we consider ourselves an extension of your team. So when we're needed, we will help. At Teatrx, the secret sauce to us is integration. All the pieces of the puzzle working together in harmony. We want our clients to focus on what their business operations are and what they do best, regardless of where they were in the world. Our end goal is that we have designed and integrated the easiest to use meeting rooms for people, and the fact that they're using it and smiling brings a smile to all our faces, especially mine.